I like cherries. Hi guys, it's me again, Johan, and my brother Jacob. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Johan Wonders. Thanks guys for watching and subscribing our channel. Please stay connected and stay safe. Today is another food episode. Today is my birthday, guys. And why do we have a bunch of cherries here? We picked some cherries last week. Today we are going to make this French cherry dessert called Clafoutis with cherries. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Here's the things you need. You need a pan, eggs, sugar, some cherries, powdered sugar, melted butter, flour, milk, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Are you ready? Then let's get started. First, we're going to grease the pan with butter and powdered sugar. Now here is the greased pan. Now Jacob will add some powdered sugar. I'll do it. Now the pan is ready. Now you need a couple of the cherries. Now, remember that you need to remove the seeds. With straws. With straws. And now we are going to add them. Okay. Look at the cherries. Now we will set this aside, and now we're going to make the butter. Yay! Now we will make the butter. First, we will add the eggs. Now we put a pinch of salt. No. Now we add the vanilla extract. Now we will have to mix it. I'll pour the butter in the cherries. Me first. Look at the cherries now. Now we will bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes.
Few moments later.
So this is now the finished product. We will now add some powdered sugar on top of it. Jacob, would you do it? Let it cool for 30 minutes before you put the sugar.
Something's wrong with the cherry.
Yummy! Come on, guys, let's eat it.
Papa, we're eating it.
Do you think this is yummy, guys? If so, please give us a big thumbs up. That's it, guys. Hope you like our amazing cherry clafoutis video. Please subscribe so I can make more of my exciting and amazing videos. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye, too. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Today we will show you how to make a French recipe dessert called cherry clafoutis. I forgot. Are you ready? Then get started. That's it, guys. Hope you like our cherry clafoutis. That's it, guys. Hope you like our amazing cherry clafoutis video. Please.
Thank you for watching!